So what we have here, the main thing, I just remove some bolts over here. If you open the battery like this, you must take this out. Is the first priority. If this is the isolation, so when you take this out, the battery is gonna split in different parts. It's not 340 volts or whatever is it all together, I can't remember. And be careful to not do a short circuit or something like that. These ones here, what we're gonna take it apart. The problem is, be careful to not touch plus or minus. You can take it like that, like me, but I recommend to have gloves and something like this underneath your legs, because it's a little bit dangerous. I'll take this one apart, this bus bar. Let's take the other one as well. Okay. So you can do it with bare hands, but do not touch plus, negative and positive. Yes. So all the time cover the things back. I take this apart over here. Okay, we have now, which is one connector between these two. This is other one. Okay, take that one, take this one again. This is the magnet. It's much safer. Not drop the nuts between the bars or something. So we take this away, close it back until you take everything apart. So now we have one which is here. Yeah, I think it is plus, I don't know exactly, put it like that. And we have this one here. Because this is DC, so it's not like the battery is not gonna, you're not gonna feel anything if you touch it. But if you touch both of them, it's a lot power, so you're gonna feel. So because I'm trying to find the first one, this is the second one when I take it apart. This one I take it like this. This one's the same. Take this out. This is the fuse. All right. It's a lot of mess over here. So what we're gonna do now, close this, take this apart, close this. And we start, take the nuts, take out the cells, because it's already disconnected. And come back later.